For any business, regardless of its size or industry, cash flow is the lifeblood that keeps operations running smoothly. It's the continuous movement of money both into and out of your business. Effective cash flow management ensures you have enough funds to cover expenses, invest in growth, and weather one unexpected financial storm. However, for many entrepreneurs and small business owners, the administration of cash flow can feel like a daunting and intricate puzzle. Spreadsheets become cluttered, invoices get lost in the shuffle, and a clear picture of the business's financial health becomes increasingly hazy. This is where solutions like Kashoo step in, promising to simplify this crucial aspect of business management. 1. Medium.com. Medium.com. As an expert in accounting management software, I've seen firsthand the transformative impact that well-designed tools can have on a business's financial well-being. The question then arises, does Kashoo truly simplify cash flow administration? Let's delve into its features and functionalities to understand how it addresses the common pain points associated with managing a business's finances. One of the primary ways Kashoo simplifies cash flow is through its intuitive invoicing system. Gone are the days of manually creating invoices in word processors or spreadsheets, a process prone to errors and inconsistencies. Kashoo allows you to generate professional-looking invoices quickly and easily. You can customize them with your company logo and branding, set payment terms, and even schedule recurring invoices for regular clients. This not only saves time but also ensures a consistent and professional approach to billing, which can positively impact how quickly you get paid. Furthermore, Kashoo facilitates efficient tracking of sent invoices. The software provides a clear overview of which invoices have been sent, which are outstanding, and which have been paid. This eliminates the need to manually sift through emails or spreadsheets to chase up payments. With automated reminders, you can gently nudge clients who have overdue invoices, improving your collection process and accelerating your cash inflows. This proactive approach to managing receivables is a significant step towards maintaining healthy cash flow. On the outflow side, Kashoo simplifies the management of expenses. Instead of relying on shoeboxes full of receipts or disparate spreadsheets, you can easily record and categorize your business expenses within the platform. Many solutions, including Kashoo, offer features that allow you to upload photos of receipts directly from your smartphone, eliminating the need for manual data entry later. By accurately tracking your expenses, you gain a clearer understanding of where your money is going, which is crucial for identifying areas where you can potentially cut costs and improve profitability. Kashoo also offers bank reconciliation features, a vital process for ensuring the accuracy of your financial records. Manually comparing bank statements to your internal records can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Kashoo streamlines this process by allowing you to connect your bank accounts and credit cards directly to the software. The system then helps you match transactions, making it easier to identify any discrepancies and ensure that your cash balance is accurately reflected. This regular reconciliation is essential for preventing fraud and gaining a true picture of your available funds. Beyond these core functionalities, Kashoo often provides valuable reporting features that offer insights into your cash flow. You can generate reports that show your income, expenses, and overall cash position over different periods. These reports can help you identify trends, forecast future cash flows, and make informed financial decisions. For instance, you might notice a seasonal dip in sales and proactively plan for it by adjusting expenses or securing short-term financing. Having these insights readily available empowers you to manage your cash flow strategically rather than reactively. For those new to accounting or financial management, the user-friendliness of Kashoo is a significant advantage. Many small business owners are not trained accountants, and overly complex software can be intimidating and counterproductive. Kashoo typically boasts an intuitive interface and straightforward navigation, making it accessible to users with varying levels of financial expertise. This ease of use encourages consistent and accurate record-keeping, which is fundamental to effective cash flow management. Moreover, many modern accounting software solutions, including Kashoo, offer integration with other business tools. This can include e-commerce platforms, payment processors, and other business applications. These integrations can further streamline cash flow administration by automating the transfer of sales data, payment information, and other relevant financial details into your accounting system. This reduces manual data entry, minimizes errors, and provides a more holistic view of your business's financial activity.